Look at this massive, and they built this by hand.
Yeah. There's no like mortar or anything really holding these stones.
No, there isn't. Go stand in that. Go stand in that furnace. How tall are you? Nick's 5'10". That's probably 30, 40 feet tall. And this is the magic.
This is where it would be fed.
This is the
from
furnace.
the water wheel, with the air pumping in to feed the furnace, which there you're looking at in the center.
And now this thing is airtight. There is no air moving in here.
Not a
hint of a breeze.
no.